Hello friends, I am Chandan and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to write Java programs to print the pattern. Pattern number will be 3. So, just see, I have already written the Java code for pattern number 3. I will explain this code and their output. So, if you will face any issue in this code, so you can watch my previous program, first program, which are in the playlist, and in the first program I have already discussed about all these things what I have written here. This console output indicates the output of pattern 2. Now I am going to discuss the pattern 3 and their output. So first I will close this console. Now I will press Ctrl plus F11 to execute this program. So we can see here the console is asking for enter number of rows, how many rows you want to input, give as a input. I will press here 6 and now press enter. Yes, we can see pattern, this pattern. So to show the complete diagram, instead of white space I am going to print here 1, so we will be able to see exact things. I have given the input as a 6, so I have changed here instead of white space. These are all the white space what I have printed here. So to show all this white space, I have, instead of white space I have given here 1 and I will execute it again. I will give the input as a 6. Now we can see, just see 1 1 1 1 1. What is 1 1 1? Instead of 1 1 1 I have printed white space, and that white space was not visible to user, and I have only printed this value. So our pattern is this only. Okay, so for that, whatever the code I have written, you can see here. So just go through the code one by one. Everything is same as the previous, the only difference is the code of the loop. So within the loop I did the changes only, and due to that change the pattern is going to be changed. Okay, so write it clearly. I will explain this code. Just see, for example, I have already given the input as a 6, so row value will be 6. Now I is going to be from 0 to what? 0 to less than 6 means less than 6 means what? 5. 0 to 5. 0 to 5 means if we count 0 to 5, that will be 6. Okay, so 0 to 5. 0 to 5 means what? 0 1 2 3 4 5. Total how many? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 0 to 5 means 6. Since we can, I have taken I and j variable. I is taken for row number, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6, and since each row contains many columns, so for printing the column, I have declared for loop and I have initialized j. I have taken the variable j for printing column value column. Okay, so I am going to, instead of 1 I am going to print a space, so we are able to see the clear picture of the pattern, different pattern. So 6 here, if I will give the input 10, we can see here. If I will give the input as a 25, just see, you can see here 20 up to 25. So it depends upon the user what they are going to give the input. So before pressing the input, we can restrict the user. They can't give the value which will be greater than the range of integer. I am not going to explain the range of integer, float, character, double. I am not going to explain over here. You can watch for range of variable. So assume 1 byte equal to 8 bits. So 9 bit we will not able to store the 9 bit value in 8 bits. So that is the range. We are going to define the range, and integer variables are also having their specific range, and within that range only we can give the input here. Okay, so just see, if I will be similar, yeah, I will be greater than j, means what? अगर I और j इक्वल होगा तो हमको वाइट स्पेस प्रिंट करना है, या I की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन j होगा, j मीन्स ये कॉलम, तो हमको वाइट स्पेस प्रिंट करना है. अदरवाइज अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो रहा है तो हमको स्टार प्रिंट करना है. अगर I जो है j से बड़ा नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे I का वैल्यू 0 है बट j का वैल्यू क्या है, 0 है, तो वाइट स्पेस प्रिंट कर दिया. j का वैल्यू 1 हुआ, मतलब I 0 है, j 1 हो गया, तब उसको क्या प्रिंट करना है, स्टार प्रिंट करना है. I 0 है लेकिन j हो गया 3, क्या प्रिंट करना है, स्टार प्रिंट करना है. And this pattern will follow for each and every iteration of the loop. Okay, so take clear note. Okay, thank you.